How are you? So doing good and staying safe at your home? Okay, so today we are going to do a small revision about test of divisibility. So last class we have completed all the test of divisibility up to 11 and you are also thorough with the test of divisibility. So to make you thorough with the revision test of divisibility, we will be doing a revision exercise today. So take out a rough book and do along with me. Practice these questions so that you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so please do it along with me. You can take a rough book and start doing along with me. We will be doing all the revision exercise of test of divisibility. Okay, so let's start. Before that, please go and take a rough book, a pen and come. Okay, so we'll be doing the revision of test of divisibility. So first thing I am going to say, what is test of divisibility? Test of divisibility is some tricks or tests to find out whether a number is divisible by a particular number. Any large number given to you and you are asked to find whether it is divisible by 3, 4, 6, etc. You will quickly say, yes, it is divisible. No, it is not divisible. How? By the test of divisibilities. Okay, so first thing, you have learned the test of divisibility of 2. So what was the test of divisibility of 2? Test of divisibility of 2 is the number in the ones place should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, this was the test of divisibility of 2. Then we will learn the test of divisibility of 3. What was the test of divisibility? You will add the numbers and the number obtained after adding the numbers should be, if it is divisible by 3, that means it will be divisible by 3. What you have to do, you should add the numbers and when we obtain the sum and if that number is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. Next thing is 4. What was the test of divisibility of 4? For the test of divisibility, you should add the numbers of ones and tens place. Add the numbers of ones and tens place, and if the number after adding is if the number obtained after adding is divisible by 4, that means the number is divisible by 4. Then we have learned the test of divisibility of 5. What was the test of divisibility of 5? The number in the ones place should be either 0 or 5. The number should be either 0 or 5. Then test of divisibility of 6. 6 is little tricky, that is the number should be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. If the number is divisible both by 2 and 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 6. For that, you have to find the number divisibility test of 2 and also divisibility test of 3. If the number is divisible both by 2 and 3, that means the number is divisible by 6. Then we have learned the divisibility test of 8. What was the divisibility test of 8? The number in the ones, tens and hundreds place. Number in the ones and tens and hundreds place. So same like that of 4. In the 4 you have taken only the number in the ones and tens place. Here the number in the ones, tens and hundreds place you are taking the number. Hey, sorry, for 4 I have written here add. You don't have to add, you have to just take the number in the ones and tens place and find the, that is for example, for here number given 4790. So you have to just take the number given in the ones and tens place. The number given in the ones and tens place is 90. So if 19 is divisible by 4, no, 19 is not divisible. That means it is not divisible. Same like that, in the case of 8, you have to take the number given in the ones, tens and hundreds place. So if the number given in the ones, tens and hundreds place is 319 and find out whether 319 is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8, that means the whole number is divisible. If it is not divisible, it means it is not divisible. Then we have learned the test of divisibility of 9. What was the test of divisibility? Same like that of 3. That is, you have to add the numbers. Add the numbers and the sum obtained is divisible by 9. You have to find whether it is divisible. So 3 and 9 is same, you have to add the numbers. 4 and 8 is somewhat same. For 4 you have to take the number in the ones and tens place only. For 8 you have to take the number in the ones, tens and hundreds place. Then finally we have learned the test of divisibility of 11, which was slightly different from all others. Test of divisibility of 11 was you have to find out the sum of the digits at odd place. Then you have to find the sum of the digits at even place. Then take the difference of the both. and if that number is either 0 or divisible by 11, that means it is divisible. So till now you are clear. Now we will do a revision of the test of 11 itself. Last class we have left a question from page number 58. Those who are having your textbook can refer textbook page number 58, question number 6. Question is, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. So a number is given and a blank space is given. That is, number is 9, 2, blank, 3, 8, 9. So a question is given like this and you have to find a number here so that this number will be divisible by 11. This is a question for you. So what you have to do, first thing you have to do is you have to find the sum of digits at odd place. Sum of digits at odd place. Then you have to find sum of digits at even place. Even place. Then you have to take the difference. Then you have to take the difference. Okay. So, first thing, mark the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, you are going to write the sum of the digits at odd place. Odd place is 9 plus 3 plus 5. 9 plus 3 plus here 2. Then 9 plus 3 plus 2. Here now you are going to write the number at the even place. Even place it is 8 plus a blank plus 9. 8 plus blank I am going to write a question mark. We don't know what it is. Plus 9. So you are going to add it 9 plus 2 plus 3. You are going to add the number. You are going to add the numbers 9 plus 2 plus 3. It is 14. Here 8 plus 9 you will get answer as 17. So when you take the difference 17 minus 14, what will you get? You will get the answer as 3. Okay, you got the answer as 3. So now you got the answer as 3. In 3 you already know that 3 is less than 17. 3 less than 11. So we 3 add 11 you have to do 11 minus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am teaching you like small students. You don't have to do like this. 11 minus 3 what you got? 8. So 3 8 add 11. Okay, so like this you have to do. 3 add 11. It is 8. So the number here is 8. So, you can doubt on 8 plus 8 plus 9 8 plus 8 plus 9 difference 11 So 11 difference that means the number is divisible by 11. You have to in the divisibility test difference either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. So 11 that means it will be divisible. Okay, sum of the digits at odd place, sum of the digits at even place. Even place is a number, another question mark. So when the sum of the digits at odd place is 14, even place is 17, you are going to find the difference. 17 minus 14, you will get 3. So then you have to find 3 add 11. So 11 minus 3 you will get as 8. So 8 is the answer. Got it? This is clear. You have one more exercise given there. So this is a second question. I have worked out everything to make you understand easily. So this question is 8, a blank is given, 9, 4, 8, 4. This is a question. So you have to find the number here. So we have written everything. Sum of the digits at odd place. Odd place the number is 4, then plus 4. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8 and one more number is there. Our number odd place number you have written it is blank. Sum of the digits at even place you are going to take. Even place the number is 8 plus 9 plus 8. So 8 plus 9 plus 8 you will get 24. You have to take the difference 24 minus 8. When you take the difference you will get it as 17. So 17 it is greater than 11, is it? So this 17 minus 11 How much? 17 minus dash is 11. You have to find out it. 17 minus, I will teach you like small children. 17 minus 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so what is the answer? 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What is the answer? 6. Don't learn like this. Easy. 17 minus 6 is 11. So what is the answer here? You will get 6. Okay. Like this you have to do. Just take the sum of the digits at odd place, sum of the digits at even place. Then take the difference and this difference കിട്ടുന്ന നമ്പറിലൂടെ 11 ആവാൻ നമുക്ക് നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണോ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണോ നോക്കാം. Then find out the number. Here 17 minus 6 is 11. So the given number here is 6. Okay. Now it is clear. Now we will move to the next. Here I have given some numbers for you, and this side you have to find the divisibility of each number. This side il thannikkunna divisibility 10 which divisible aano, 5 which aano, 2 which aano nokam. So let's do. Okay. So first thing, it is given to find out whether these two numbers is divisible by 10. So what was the divisibility test of 10? The number in the ones place should be 0. Here the number in the ones place is 0. That means it will be divisible by 10. Here the number in the ones place is 0. That means it will be also divisible by 10. Okay. So this is a divisibility test for 10. The number in the ones place should be 0. Next thing, you have to find the divisibility test of 5 with these two numbers. 5, what was the divisibility test? The number in the ones place should be either 0 or 5. For the first number in the ones place is 5. That means it will be divisible. Second number, the number in the ones place is 3. That means it is not divisible. Okay, so what was the divisibility test of 5? The number in the ones place should be either 0 or 5. Okay, so next one you have to find the divisibility test of 2. For divisibility test of 2, you have to find the number in the ones place. Here the number in the ones place is 4. That means it will be divisible. What was the divisibility test of 2? Number in the ones place should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here it is 4. This number that means it will be divisible by 2. Okay, next thing you have to find the divisibility test of 3 with these numbers. For that you have to add the numbers. That is 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3. You have to add the numbers. That is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2, that is 50. You will get the answer as 50. That means 50 is divisible by 3. Is it? That is 3 5s are 50. 15 divisible iota, this whole number will be divisible by 3. So what was the divisibility test of 3? You have to add the numbers and the sum obtained. If it is divisible by 3, that means it will be divisible. The whole number will be divisible by 3. Here it is 15, that means it is divisible by 3. Next thing, you have to find the divisibility test of 4. What was the divisibility test? You have to find the number in the ones and tens place. Here the number in the ones and tens place is 69. You have to divide 69 by 4 and find out whether it is divisible. Ones are 4, 29. That is, you know that 7 4s are 28. You will get a remainder 1. That means 69 is not divisible by 4. That means this whole number will not be divisible by 4. What was the divisibility test of 4? You have to find the number in the ones and tens place, and if the number in the ones and tens place is divisible by 4, that means the whole number is divisible. Here 69 is not divisible by 4. That means it will not be divisible. Okay. So here next divisibility test of 8. What was the divisibility test of 8? Same like that of 4, but you have to take the number given in the ones, tens and hundreds place. Here the number given in the ones, tens and hundreds place is 790, and you have to divide 790 by 8 and find out whether it is divisible. I am going to divide it here. 790 by 8. So divide it and find out. So here you can already 9s are 72. Then you will get a remainder. Is it 60? You will get a remainder. You cannot divide. So here also you will get a remainder. That is, you cannot divide it. That is 790 is not divisible. That means it is not divisible by 8. Okay. So next thing is 7221. You have to find whether it is divisible by 6. So that is, you have to find 7221 is divisible by 6. For that, divisibility test of, what was divisibility test of 6? 7221. So what was the divisibility test? First you have to find whether it is divisible by 2. Then you have to find whether it is divisible by 3. If it is divisible by both, by 2 and 3, that means it will be divisible. So here 2, it is not divisible. ഇനി ബാക്കി അങ്ങോട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. 3 വെച്ച് divisible ആണെങ്കിൽ പോലും 2 വെച്ച് divisible അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് this number will not be divisible by 6. Okay, so 7 2 to 1 is not divisible because it is not divisible by 2. നമുക്ക് 1's place ൽ കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന 1 ആണ്. So it is not divisible by 2. 3 വെച്ച് divisible ആണേ പോലും ആണോ അല്ല we are not doing it because don't waste your time. 2 വെച്ച് divisible ആണേ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് 6 വെച്ച് divisible ആണോ എന്ന് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 2 വെച്ച് divisible ആണോ അല്ലയോ എന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. 2 വെച്ച് divisible അല്ല, so don't go further. It is not divisible. Okay, so this is I have given a quick revision of everything. So please children, please don't make mistake in this. I have take class for you for the whole last 3 days. So please don't make mistake. You have to thoroughly learn the divisibility test, then it will be easy. Okay, so next class we will be going to the next topic. So be thorough with this. Don't make mistake in this. So till then we will see in the next class. Be good children, complete your notes, practice some questions at your home. Thank you.